Cordless gives you all the benefits of cordless cleaning from the UK's most popular cylinder vacuum. I'll show you how to get started with your Henry Cordless in just a moment, but quickly, what are the benefits of Henry Cordless? Well, to start, he's got a 30-minute run time, which is enough for a full house clean and those quick clean-ups. Henry's kept his much-loved design, which gives him a capacity up to 10 times bigger than other cordless vacuums. So that means no emptying after every use. And even when you do finally empty him, all the dust is trapped inside a high filtration bag. So, no dust, no mess. Henry brings unique benefits when compared to other models. As I've said, he's got a huge 6-litre capacity, but also, and really importantly, any weight isn't in your hand, it's on the floor, so that makes him really lightweight in use. On top of that, Henry's got his long, flexible hose, so reaching up for cobwebs or under the car seats is really easy. When Henry's ready for charging, the fast charge station will have him ready to go in just 3.5 hours. The 2-battery option lets you use one, charge one, so he's always ready. For tougher cleaning, there's a boost mode. A simple flick of the switch and Henry delivers more power where needed. So to start for the first time using your machine, the battery will be in transport mode. To activate, simply pop it into a plug charger to wake it, then clip it into Henry and you're ready to go. The battery will have some charge, but it's a good idea to fully charge it as soon as you can. To set up, screw on the hose and attach the tubes. If you need to adjust the height, just turn around the tube bend. This is also handy to remember when you're using the accessories. The Combi Floor tool is great for everyday cleaning and it easily switches between carpets and hard floors. The stairs, the car, DIY, nothing beats a Henry Cordless for versatility. Henry Cordless comes with the same accessory kit as Henry Original. The accessories are made for the toughest cleaning jobs and they're made to last. Once you're done, with his onboard tool storage, Henry stores neatly away. But don't forget to pop his battery back into the charger, so he's ready when you need him next.